This is my Jeep Cherokee 2000 Cherokee Sport, and today we're talking about the plastic bumpers and the sidebars on it. Now they do fade after a while, and you can polish them up. You can see this side looks much better, and I'm going to be giving different techniques of how to and how good each technique works on polishing your plastic on your vehicle. Now, I don't understand why in the Cherokees, I think it was different plastic chemical makeup or something, this front piece always fades very heavily compared to all the other plastic components on here. And you see the difference here, and it's on all of them except for the ones that were painted over. You can't notice those as much. Now, things I've used these two here. They're like an Armor All, but they're much thicker. Armor All in the beginning used to be good. Now it fades fast, and I do not recommend that you put on your interior. Now, I have heard of the peanut butter trick. My sister made a video on YouTube talking about it. I'm going to try it out for myself. And I do know almond butter, my predictions, I don't have any almond butter with me, but almond butter is much more oily, and that might work better. I don't know. But we're going to compare these, and we're going to put it on this bumper right here, and we're going to compare all of them. Now this here, Mother's Black to Black. This works well. I've used this many times, and I put this onto a pad. Just pour it on there. I'll be putting it right here. Now we're going to see how that compares to the others. Now here's some vinyl and rubber dressing. This also works on them. This is a spray. This works alright, but this is more for interior. And spray it on there. Now here's Armor All, which I absolutely despise. Makes it look good for about a day, in my opinion, in my testing. And right here I'm opening up a new jar of peanut butter. Don't you hate it when the stuff sticks to the side? Now this has not been refrigerated or anything, so it's very oily. And therefore it should work pretty good. Now the theory on this is that the oil from the peanut butter itself will soak into the plastic. I'll mix it up here a little bit. There we go. Now let's slather that on there. I'll let that sit for a little bit. This is what it looks like after. That was the vinyl rubber polish up right there. That was the Black to Black. This was the Armor All, and that was the new peanut butter. We're going to give it a day, come back and compare them. Keep note, the sun is going to be beating down for a while on this, so yes, they will have good accurate representation for how well they hold up in the sun. Okay, so this is about exactly a day later. That, or our Black to Black, it kind of spread out a little bit after I put it on there. There's our peanut butter, Armor All. Now, just take my word for it, Armor All just doesn't last as long as these others do. It really doesn't, and it's not that good for the plastic either. And that's our kind of black vinyl spray. As you can see, it works, not the best. However, ones that I think will last is that peanut butter and the Black to Black. Let me get the bottle over here. Here you go. Back to Black. And I just did the other side here, except for this bumper. It looks very nice. As you can see, that gray right there is what the whole thing looked like. And I do this about every month or so, and it looks absolutely gorgeous. A few minor things here when you put it on there with a pad or rag. I recommend you don't get it on your paint. What I'll do to get the edges so you do not get it on your paint is take a few Q-tips, stab some on there, and bring them along the top and the bottom there. Just get it all good without getting so much on your paint. The goal of this video is to show you ways that you can buff up your plastic, different ways to do it. Some cheaper than others. That peanut butter actually looks pretty good. I might start doing that. But if you enjoyed the video, please like, subscribe, and comment below.